Hello traders, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kernel. In this video, we're going to be looking at the final review and analysis of the Sophia 2.0 expert advisor for MT4. If you're new to this series, we've actually done a first, a second, and the third video, I think, of the Sophia. I've been trading the Sophia for about roughly around 5 days now, and on Friday we're supposed to end the review, but unfortunately I wasn't available on Friday. I was out, and on Saturday when I was available, I looked at my account and I noticed we had not made any losses. Okay, we ended up around somewhere around 11%, and I decided to leave it to see if we're going to encounter any losses on Monday, because I didn't want it to be all gold. I didn't want to be all glitters and all. I wanted to see how the expert advisor actually performed when it made a loss. Okay, so I needed to see that, which I did today, which is a Monday, and I'm going to be sharing the review and insights on that. Okay, so first things first, this is the Sophia 2.0 expert advisor. For those of us that are new here, this is the expert advisor for MT4. We're currently trading on MT4 on an ECN account. Okay, so if you've actually purchased the expert advisor on Trading Kernel and it's not working for you, maybe you can't add it to your chart. Okay, there are some few things missing. Okay, so firstly, make sure you have this dependency. It's called THAPELOLIB. Okay, make sure you have it in your experts directory. Okay, make sure you don't have it in a subfolder. Okay, because I see many pictures, many screencasts where you guys have it in the subfolder. It's not in any subfolder here. Okay, the ex4 file, you must have copied the entire folder and kept it here. Okay, don't do that. Copy the file itself. Okay, for we are using MT4 here, so we copy the ex4 file. If you're using MT5, kindly copy the ex5 file and paste that here. Okay, so we are currently using MT4, so we have the .ex4 file here. Okay, in our experts directory. Okay, there's no subfolder here. Okay, secondly, make sure you have auto trading turned on. For now I have auto trading turned off. Also make sure you have auto trading turned on if you actually want this robot to take trades on your accounts. Okay, secondly, thirdly, you can see the pairs we are currently trading on here: Euro USD, GBP USD, SDD USD, Audi USD, and the Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, so these are the pairs or the securities that we have verified that the Sophia 2.0 works on. We haven't really tested any other security, and we can't assure for that. Okay, so totally make sure you have your spread equal to 0, or you can be using an ECN account. Okay, that will definitely ensure that your spread is equal to 0. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to drag my code tester here, and you can see that the current spread is 2. Right, even though I'm using an ECN account, it says the spread is 2, and because the spread is 2, the Sophia 2.0 would not take any trades, right? And the spread is 2 currently because the market is really not making any movements. Okay, and the spread is 2. Okay, so that's for the installation. I believe if you have all these requirements ticked, the Sophia should work for you. Okay, so you just have to be patient with it, give it 24 hours, and you can see it work for you. Okay, we're currently using the big screen here as well. We are using a high risk car, and on the first day we used a smart risk. On the second day, on the first day we ended up around 4%. On the second day we used medium risk. We ended up around 7 or 6%, so thereabouts. And on the third day we used high risk, which was on Friday, and we ended up around 11%. Okay, so I wasn't available on Friday. I wasn't able to close trades and the rest of that, so I left the expert advisor on, and I wanted to see what was going to happen if I made a loss. I wanted to see if it was going to blow my account. I wanted to see if we're going to lose a lot of money, and I'm going to be showing you that right now. Okay, so let's dive into our terminal to look at our history so far. All right, so as you can see, we're trading up to Friday. We're trading from Tuesday to Friday. Okay, about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We had about 9 winning trades on we're on a winning streak. Okay, We had about 9 winning trades here. We ended up around 11%. And on Monday, luckily we had a loss. Okay, we lost around 4 USD. We had a profit, and then we had another loss around 2 USD. So total we lost around 6% of our account in 2 trades. Okay, right. And I was really happy about the fact that we made these losses, because I wanted to see how the market, how the experts reacted to losses. I want to see if it was maybe like a martingale or something, or how bad it was. Okay, because I have seen a lot of videos where people are posting about the Sophia blowing their accounts. Okay, and it's really quite different from what I have here. Okay, that's why I always advise that you get a software from a recommended platform. Okay, just like Trading Kernel. So currently here we have about we lost about $4, and we immediately covered it up. Okay, you cover that up, and you can see we made another loss here, right? And we immediately covered that up as well. Okay, so we still ended up today at $11.89, and we even made a profit of about 0.89 USD to be precise, right? We ended up last week as at about 11%, and this week we're up about 0.89%. Okay, so even if we made losses, okay, we did make losses. Now as you can see, we made losses. We made about 4 losses, but so far so good. We're still up. Okay, and that's what matters. What matters is not necessarily the losses you make while trading, okay, but it's what happens after a series of trades, 100 trades, 50 trades, who's winning. Okay, and right now we're winning. Okay, we have a profit of about $11, okay, or about 11% of our accounts. Okay, so let's look at the trades. Let's look at the trades we had on Audi USD. You can see we had a major trading on Audi USD. I think most of the trades we had today was on Audi USD. Okay, so let's cancel that out. You can see we had the trades here. Okay, you can see the trades here. We had a buy here, buy here, buy here. I think we closed out somewhere around here in profits. So you can see the distance we had from our buys to our profitability. Okay, would have made a really lot of money here. Okay, but we closed trades out. We are not greedy. Okay, we closed out in profits. So how exactly can you trade this system? How exactly can you be profitable from using this system? Okay, so first things first, do not trade Sophia when there is a major news, okay, or when there's a major fundamental event. Okay, secondly, do not trade Sophia when the market is making a major move. Okay, the market is not necessarily always driven by fundamentals. Sometimes it might be driven by technicals as well. Okay, the market makers, whatever. Do not trade Sophia when there are huge market moves. Okay, do not do that. Always trade. If you traded Sophia in February, I'm sure you would have made a whole lot of losses. Okay, and there were some key moments in February where the market moved a lot. Okay, and if you traded Sophia during those times, you would have made a loss. Okay, Sophia performs well when the market is ranging. Okay, it performs really well when the market is ranging. Okay, and a lot of other trading systems which help scalp the market do that as well. Okay, do not trade Sophia when the market is trending. Okay, trade when it's ranging, and also do not trade the Sophia 2.0 when the market is close to a fundamental major news or major event or whatever. Okay, so I believe that's for the installation, the setup, the analysis, the review. We've shown you guys how to trade Sophia. We've showed you guys when to trade Sophia. We showed you guys how to install, how to set up. And one more thing is actually what's in on the long run. Okay, what's in on the long run? How exactly can the future be with Sophia 2.0? Okay, if you purchase Sophia 2.0 from tradingkernel.com, you set everything up and you're making the same profit as us. Okay, so how exactly can you plan your future using Sophia 2.0? Okay, so let's look at our terminal so far. Let's look at what we've made so far. Okay, so we made an 11.89%. We've been trading for roughly 5 days. Okay, which is about a trading week, right? We made about 11%. Okay, so let's go to our calculator. Let's go to our web browser. Okay, there's a calculator here. It's a compound interest calculator that helps us calculate how much we can make over the long run. Okay, so we currently have Sophia installed, right? So Let's say we have an initial deposit of $100 as we currently have on our terminal. Okay, so we have an initial deposit of $100, and we are trading Sophia for the long run. Okay, so we are trading Sophia for 4 years. Okay, and for our estimate rate of return, okay, so if you're making 11% every week, right, that's about 44% in the month. Okay, but we're not going to be that we're not going to go that high. Okay, let's say we have some few weeks with losses, which is very, very possible. Okay, we have some few weeks with losses, let's say 5% loss, a 10% loss, a 3% loss, a 6% loss, just as you have seen. Okay, let's say we make a 20% in the month. Okay, after everything overall, we make 20% in the month. Okay, let's bring that down to 15%. Okay, let's bring that down to 15%. At the end of the month, you're up about 15%. Okay, you're up about 15%. And the thing about Sophia 2.0 is that it compounds per trade. Okay, they don't have that statistics here, but it compounds per trade, not per month, not per annually. Okay, it compounds per trade. So if you have $100, if you had $100 as your account balance, okay, 2% of $100 is gonna be we're actually making a profit of 1%, 1.5%, right? So 1.5% of $100 is $1.5. Okay, that's what you make per trade. But when your balance becomes 105 or 102 or 103 or 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000, Sophia would change the lot size automatically, okay, and have you make 1.5% of whatever you have as your balance. Okay, so if you have $200 as your current balance, Sophia is going to take a profit of $3, okay, which is about 1.5% of your initial of your current balance. Okay, so it compounds per trade, and that's really one awesome thing about automated trading systems. Okay, so let's look at let's just go with the monthly. Okay, let's say we are compounding monthly. Okay, not per trade. And let's say we are contributing about $10 to our account, our live account, every month. Okay, to see how much we can make over the long run in 4 years. Okay, you can see that's about $128,000. That's about $1.165 million. Okay, that's about $1.165 million in 4 years. Okay, so you can see the statistics over here. Okay, the first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Okay, we ended up at about $1.165, contributing $10 monthly. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get your Sophia 2.0, get it started. Follow our statistics. We've shown you everything about this expert advisor, everything you need to grasp about it. At Trading Kernel, we believe that automated trading is the future, and we hope to get you guys in on automated trading, as well as get profitable automated trading systems as well. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@tradingkernel.com. I'll be more than happy to reply to you. All right guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.